Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a logo of your own choice in MS Word. So for that what we have to do, we have to remove this whichever text you have. Just go to the insert, click on the shapes, take whichever shape you want. If you want something like donut one or the this square one, take whichever shape you want, just click on that and draw it on your page like this, and just drag it wherever you are comfortable. Just drag it little bit more. Now here you can see the width of this donut is little bit thicker. Then I want to reduce the thickness. Then this yellow line, yellow dot you can see here, just click on that and just drag it like this, so that you can reduce the width of your donut. Next thing is, if you want to insert some picture inside your logo, then you have to download it from the Google. And if you have already in your laptop or PC, then you have to click on the insert, click on the picture, click on the picture where you saved that picture, insert. Now this picture is in your document. Now one thing you have to do to drag it, you can see it is not coming inside your donut. For that you have to go to the format, click on the wrap text, click on the in front of text like this. Now here you can see we can drag that, and we can also reduce the size of your image like this. Next thing, I want another shape to be there, this one. So if I want to put it like this, I will put like this. I can increase the size just by dragging these points over here. You can also change the color. Just click on it and it will get appear. Next thing, I want to insert a name to the logo. For that I have some options over there. In insert you can see a word art. So if I click over there, you can see it is giving option over there, but I want something from the older version of MS Word. So how I will get that? So for that I have to go to the file, save as, click on the save type. Here you can see Word 97 2003 and click on the save. Once you click on the save, it will ask your permission. Click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, now you can go inside insert, click on the word art. Here you can see this is a previously used word art in 97 to 2003 version. Just click whichever you want. Now here you have to type the name whichever you want. I want it as a tech school, and you can select the size from here also. Click on the OK, and you can drag that. You have to keep it in front of text. Just drag it, and you can little bit move like this. So this thing you have to do little bit carefully. You have to adjust that inside your like this. You have to be careful. Now you can drop it little bit like this, and now like this little bit. So this thing you have to adjust just by dragging those points which are available over there. Next thing what you have to do is, you have to insert some name over there here. So you have to just click select it, and here you can write whichever text you want, or you can also add something different also. If I want to type here in format, I will select that, click over here and type YouTube, insert word art, or you can also add like this, YouTube channel, and click OK. Once you click OK, you can drag it. You have to select it, click on the wrap text in front of text. You have to drag it here and then you can reduce the size. And just put it here and adjust the size over here. And little bit you have to drag. Then you can also shape outline you can give like this. Shape feel also you can give like this. Next thing, if you want to add some more shapes, just click over there, click on the shapes, put it here like this. You have to copy it and here on you have to paste it. You have to drag and drop like this. Now this shape also you can feel, just click over here, click on whichever color you want like this and click like this. Now this much part we have done. Next thing what we have to do after creating a logo, we want to use it somewhere else apart from this. So what we have to do, you have to select each and every portion which is available in your logo. Then in format you have to go, and here you can see in drawing tool, you can see a format. In that you have to click on the group, click on the group like this. Now you can see this all thing we have created is inside the like this. Now this one is we have left, but why it is not moving with our logo, but we want that one inside our logo. So you have to select it, click on the format, bring forward, you have to drag it like this little bit like this. You can use the, so now this one also you have to select, and the outer part also you have to select, and in drawing tool again you have to go and click on the group. Now whole thing we have created in a logo is in a one group. Now you can reduce the size, you can also increase the size like this. So whenever you create a logo, you have to group them so that you can increase and reduce the size of your logo, and you can also use that logo whenever you want. Just you have to copy it and you can use anywhere in your document. Like if you are using another document, now if I remove and I will copy it, and if I delete it, you can just paste it anywhere you want, and you can also use it in a different size like this. Thank you.